So this is a video demo for the Android device. So as you can see, I'm using an Android device here. This is a Samsung Galaxy A10 here, and we are going to test for Android if this is if the video welcome video is working. Okay, just a sec. I have here an account which is for the Android test. Okay, so we are going to log in. We already synced this account. So this is a new account, so let's check here. Okay, just a moment. Let's log in this. Okay, it's incorrect. Let's check the password again. Just a sec. So as you can see, we are logged in now, and it will show the video, and it will autoplay the video. So let's just wait to finish. This is also same with the Apple. Okay, it will autoplay the video. Also, we've disabled the forward skip, the forwarder skip on this video, on this part, because we want to encourage the user to finish the video here. So let's just finish the video and I will walk you through same as on the Apple. So this is on an Android device, okay? So the video is now finishing. Okay, as you can see, the continue bar is now accessible and or clickable. So after that, it will tell you that you have it will inform the user that they've earned a point. So you have to select a goals here. Okay, it's up to you. What goals do you want to select? So click the continue, and that's the time you can access all of the menus on here on the mobile app. So same again, go to share and social, select the main menu. You have to select the category. So let's check the products or the items, the lifestyle. Go to submenu and let's check other information on the submenu that was added here. So that's it, and it is working for an Android as well as on the iOS. Okay, so this is for the Android video demo. So thank you.